అలాగే దానితో పాటుగానే మన బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్ అయినటువంటి విక్టరీ వెంకటేష్ గారి మాటల్ని ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు వింటాము అని చాలా ఉత్సాహంగా ఉంది. మరి ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా ఐ హ్యాండ్ ఓవర్ ద మైక్ టు బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్ ఆఫ్ వాసవి గ్రూప్, ఆర్ వెరీ ఓన్ విక్టరీ వెంకటేష్ గారు.
Andarki namaskaram. Good evening to everybody. It's really a very, very happy occasion for me to be here at the Vasavi grand launch. And summer start అయినట్టుంది, కానీ అందరూ మీరు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఈరోజు ఈ గ్రాండ్ లాంచ్ వచ్చినందుకు నిజంగా ఐఎమ్ వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ఫర్ కమింగ్. వాసవి గ్రూప్ గురించి మాట్లాడాలంటే ఫస్ట్ I have to mention Vijay Kumar Yarangaru. He's been over in the real estate business over 3 decades, and he's done some outstanding work in his real estate business. His impact is actually beyond his projects, leaving a lasting legacy in quality, innovation, and community development. Actually, Vasavi boasts nearly 17 commercial projects, more than 30 residential projects, developing more than 8 million square feet, and satisfying over 25,000 residential. They are all very, very happy with their Vasavi group. And it's also great to see Vijay Kumar Garu also got the Indian Achievers Award. Congratulations, sir. Today I'm really very, very happy to be the brand ambassador for Vasavi Group. They are the most preferred builders in Hyderabad. I'm really, really glad to be associated with them. And also we are here to launch the Vasavi corporate ad today. It's a milestone for them. And also the new launch for their projects, Vasavi Avasa, Bhuvi, Builddocs Vasavi. It's not very easy to be here in this business for over 3 decades, and especially in Hyderabad with so much competition in the real estate business. But we all have to congratulate Vijay Kumar Garu with his vision, and who has always been, who's told his team that we have to have quality, and that's what he maintains. And today all his projects have been very, very successful. Sir, you're an inspiration to many, many great builders. So I want you to continue doing the great work you've been doing for Hyderabad. And I'm really glad today to be here. So chala nizanga chala santoshanga undi. And I congratulate the whole team of Vasavi Group for maintaining the perfect dedication in their work and giving excellent results. So today I'm here, and thank you for all coming. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Venkatesh Garu. It's always a pleasure meeting you, and lots and loads of happiness to Vasavi residents, customers, investors, directors, and our founder too, Venkatesh Garu, being associated with this project.